Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Select unique Indian bracelet. Choose some nice, suitable bangles. Select a nice ring. Let's make haldi for the bride. It will glow her skin. First of all, add some gram flour. Pretty! Now add some turmeric powder. And now add some almond oil. Now add some milk. Mix all the 3 ingredients together. Stir the ingredients until the mixture becomes smooth. Wow! Our upton is ready to use. Choose an awesome armlet. Stylish. Lovely. Choose the matching earrings. Select some cool hair accessories. Stylish. Pick a stunning necklace. Select a stylish anklet. Stylish. Select unique Indian bracelet. Pretty. Splendid. Splendid. Stylish. Pick some beautiful eye lenses. Very unique. Select the shape of the eyebrows. I love this one. Very unique. Marvelous. Choose the eyelashes of your choice. Lovely. Superb. Unique. Choose a beautiful mascara. Lovely. Favorite. Choose the eyeshadow. Lovely. Love it. Apply the blush of your choice. Lovely. Pick a superb. Very unique. Pick a nice bindi for her. Marvelous. It suits me. Lovely. Very unique. Choose the matching earrings. Very unique. Favorite. Stylish. Pick a stunning necklace. Favorite. Unique. So different. Choose a nose ring for her. Marvelous. Choose some head accessories. Wow, now she looks so different and beautiful. Thank you so much for your help. Dresses and accessories. Some. So different. Choose some nice, suitable bangles. Awesome! Pretty! Pick a beautiful ring. Choose an awesome armlet. Pick a nice waist belt. Gorgeous! Let's help him to select something nice. So different. So different. Select an awesome turban. Choose ethnic footwear. So different. She wants a photo shoot and needs to look perfect for the photo. Let's collect the memories of her different look. Great pose. Amazing pose. Amazing pose.